Welcome back to Healthcare Provider. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked about: effective and safe ways to lose weight. Let's explore some science-backed strategies that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Losing weight isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling good and staying healthy. Here are some medically approved methods to shed those extra pounds. 1. Understanding calories and nutrition. First, let's talk about calories. Weight loss boils down to a simple equation: consuming fewer calories than you burn. But it's important to do this in a healthy way. Focus on nutrient-dense foods: fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods provide essential vitamins and minerals while keeping your calorie count in check. 2. Importance of physical activity. Exercise is crucial for weight loss. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity each week, combined with strength training exercises. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's walking, running, swimming, or yoga. Consistency is key to making exercise a part of your routine. 3. Behavioral changes and mindset. Weight loss also involves changing your mindset and habits. Keep a food diary to track what you eat and identify patterns. Practice mindful eating. Pay attention to what you eat and how much. Stress management techniques like meditation and journaling can help reduce emotional eating and improve your overall well-being. 4. Medical supervision and support. Before starting any weight loss program, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional. They can help tailor a plan that suits your individual needs and monitor your progress. Consider seeking support from a dietitian or joining a weight loss support group to stay motivated and accountable. 5. Avoiding fad diets and quick fixes. Beware of fad diets and quick fixes. Many of these promise rapid results but can be harmful to your health and are often unsustainable in the long run. Instead, focus on making gradual, sustainable changes to your diet and lifestyle. Remember, weight loss is a journey. It takes time, patience, and persistence. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and stay committed to your health. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and share your weight loss journey in the comments below. See you next time.